Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of The Farmer's Farm. Alright, I know you might be wondering, why do I have so many boxes? What are the purpose of these two boxes? Right? So today I'm going to show you how you can use cardboard box to make a simple, cheap and convenient phone stand, something that you could put your phone on to make your videos and so on. So basically this is a Nature Valley box right here, Nature Valley box, right? And this is basically a box that a greenhouse plastic came in. So you have to get a nice height box. This box is maybe measuring like about 4 feet, right? So what you can do is basically these boxes they come like this, right? So what I did was I cut piece of the edge of both sides, right? And you will see why. What I also did was I made two slits, one there and one there, and you will see why. Continue watching and you will see why I did that. So first of all, your phone, this pen here will go into one of the slit parts. Come look right here, one of the slit parts. This will be inserted right there, right? You don't have to push it all the way down. And then this one will go into this one right here. Right, as you can see. After which your phone will go in here like that. See that already? Look at that. Right? Look at that. Very convenient for the use of a box. Right? But guess what? Some of us are tall. Right? Like I am not very tall, right? So you might be saying, how can I get this to be a little taller? Well, guess what? Watch this. This Nature Valley box that I showed you earlier, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off these edges, right? I'm going to cut them off. Right? I'm going to cut them off. Right? Then this is the base, because if you leave this as is and put it on the floor, it's kind of unstable, right? Kind of unstable. I don't want to put your phone on that and rocking like that. But this, if you put this on the floor, it is very flat and stable. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to push the base of this box into this, and I can push it all the way down. Watch it go down. Look at that. Beautiful, right? Right, so this can, and then when you put it on the ground, it stays, right? So for instance, look at that. Understand? Look at that. See? Look at that. It is stable, right? Essentially, as I said before here, it will not be blocking your camera because I've cut off a piece of here. Watch, it is very still. But it is still short. Look at the extension. All you would have to do, because this fits so close and tight in here, all you would have to do is just pull it. Pull it. Pull. 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 You can pull all the way up until just a fraction of it is inside the box. Look at that now. It is almost as tall as I am. Look at this now. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. See what I'm talking about? So this is a very cheap and convenient way to make a phone stand to make your videos at home. Right? It is made from box, right? Carton box or cardboard box, put it that way. And it is extendable, so it basically can get shorter by way of this box that we had here. So you can basically push it down for it to get shorter. You can basically pull it up. So as you can see, I can push this down. As you can see, that is whatever height you want it. And I mean, you could just use your foot and just like that and just pull it up, and it will stay, because at the base it fits close, so wherever you pull it to, it will stay. And there you go. As you can see, it's perfect. Ta-da! So no need to worry about the expensive stands. You just need to get a cardboard that they probably throw away at the dump, right? They probably throw away at the dump, or you know, your neighbor might have some cardboards, right, that they might not have any use for. You just get one that has this shape and the length, and you just add your, well, the Nature Valley box seems to work fine, but all you need to do is just get a box, a base that the main frame, then the main length or the main length of your stand can fit closely in.